Hello, Algebra 2 students. For Fry, I'm looking at this solving systems of equations by graphing. I believe it's due on the 2nd, which is Wednesday of this week. And so I'm going to look at these two equations. Remember, this is where the y-intercept is. So this first one, my y-intercept is right here, 3. And I'm going to look at this number before the x as my slope. And this is down 5 over 3. So it's the rise over the run. Since it's negative, it's going to be going down. So from here, I go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 3, 1, 2, 3. I put a point there. I connected those points with a ruler, and I labeled it as y equals negative 5/3, x plus 3. That's that graph of that line. This one, the slope was 1/3, but I started at negative 3 as my y-intercept. Y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, remember. And so negative 3 is where I start. And then this is a positive slope because I don't have a negative in front of it. So it's a positive slope, so it's going up. And I go up 1 over 3. So up 1 over 3. I really stop right there, and I just connect those two dots, and I have my my label there as to which line this is. Well, where do they intersect? That's the solution, and they intersect at 3, negative 2. All right, try that with 2 on your own. Number 3, and you can pause this as you need. My slope-intercept for the first one is negative 1, so I start at negative 1 on the y-intercept. I'm sorry, y-intercept, not slope-intercept, y-intercept. And then I'm going down 1 over 2, so down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. I got a few of the ones previously too, down 1 over 2, down 1 over, that would be on that line. I labeled my line. I do the next one. My y-intercept is negative 4, so I go to negative 4. My slope is up 1 over 4, so up 1 over 4. I found where they intersect. I connect the dots, and this is my equation for this line. They intersect at 4, negative 3. Try that with 4 on your own. Make mistakes, don't worry about it. We learn from our mistakes. I make plenty of them. Call me out on them as you find them. Okay, so this one is negative 4 is my y-intercept, so way down here, negative 4. And then I'm going 3 is just 3 over 1. So that means I go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. I get a few dots and I connect them, and that is my y equals 3x minus 4. Then this one, the y-intercept is at positive 3, and I'm going down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1, and so on. I connect those. Where they intersect is at 2, 2, and that's going to be my solution for that set of problems. Try that with number 6. And number 7, this first one, my y-intercept is at negative 2. My slope is down 1 over 2. So I'm starting at negative 2. I'm going down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. I connect those. Notice I got a few points before that 2, where it would be down 1 over 2, and I'd run into that y-intercept of negative 2. Then I do the next line. I labeled that line. I labeled it over here. This line, this equation for this line is a positive 2 is my y-intercept. And it's going down also, but it's going down 3 over 2. So I go down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2. Right here is where they intersect. I connect those dots to make this line, and I label that line with that equation. This is the point at which they intersect. That's the solution, and it's 4, negative 4. 4, negative 4 is the point where they intersect. Try that for number 8, and hopefully you do well.